Hey everyone! If you or someone in your family is recovering from COVID-19, what you eat really matters. So today, I'm breaking down the key nutrients and foods that can help you heal, rebuild your strength, and boost your immunity. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly wellness tips. Let's dive right in. First up, protein. After COVID, your body needs to repair muscles and support your immune system. Try adding eggs, chicken, or fish to meals. If you're vegetarian, lentils, beans tofu, or paneer work great too. Even Greek yogurt or a tasty smoothie can make a difference. Think a cozy bowl of dal chicken soup or a lentil curry over rice. Simple, nourishing, and delicious. Next, antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E. These are your healing superheroes fighting inflammation and helping tissue repair. Grab some carrots, sweet potatoes, or spinach for vitamin A. For vitamin C, oranges, guava, and even bell peppers are perfect. Nuts and seeds, plus a little sunflower oil, bring in that vitamin E. Try a fruit salad, carrot spinach soup, or some sautéed bell peppers tossed with tofu for easy, vitamin-packed meals. Now don't forget zinc. It's vital for immunity and healing. You can get it from nuts, seeds, chickpeas, eggs, and whole grains. How about a chickpea salad oats sprinkled with nuts or whole grain toast with a scoop of nut butter? So good, and so good for you. Energy is key to recovery, so let's talk complex carbs. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and fruits will keep you fueled. Oats porridge or a banana smoothie can be gentle on the tummy if you're not feeling super hungry. Rice with lentils, always a winner. Anti-inflammatory and immunity boosters are next. Add garlic, ginger, or turmeric to your dishes, or sip on herbal teas with tulsi, lemon, and honey. Bone broth or veggie broth is soothing, and warm lemon honey water is a classic for a reason. Finally, hydration. COVID can really dehydrate you, so drink plenty of water, coconut water, broths, or herbal teas. If your doctor recommends ORS is a handy option too. A few more quick tips. Eat small meals more often if your appetite is low. Avoid fried or junk foods, they can slow your recovery. Limit sugar and processed foods to keep inflammation down. And only take supplements if your doctor says so. Remember, recovery is a journey and every small step helps. I hope these tips make things a little easier and tastier for your family. Hit that subscribe button if you want more practical wellness ideas for every stage of family life. Wishing you all a speedy, strong recovery. Thanks for watching.